So if we want to preserve a printer for a longer period, for some longer holidays, I would like to present in this video what can be done with the printheads. Yeah. So with the inks, it's up to operator if operator will keep inks in these main tanks, or if the operator will open the cover and to completely remove the ink from the bottles. Yeah, it's up to everybody. Yeah, it can be unscrewed. There are another screws, 2 screws from the top. It can be open, and then one can take one bottle or one container by another, and to simply pour ink back to the bottle by or using the funnels. And here I will show just some, let's say, service parts which are necessary for everybody operating the printer. So it's dampers, set of tubes. This is option, like epsilon element, let's say, connection, because with this elements one can make something like this. Yeah, this is a little bit dirty from the cleaning liquid, so this can be done or let's say assembled for getting cleaning or preservation liquid into certain channel. So it does not have to be connected all 4 together. It can be just 1 or 2 cartridges, 2 dampers. Yeah, and even printer during the let's say operation mode, if somebody wants to clean, for example, one color like yellow, for example, because something is wrong, or somebody want to clean full white printheads, it means all 4 channels, it's possible to do it with the cleaning liquid and like this cartridges like this. Here we have consciously very short, it's not more than 2 centimeters, very short tube, which is necessary to be able to push into printhead and to avoid the situation when the tube would, let's say, jump off. Yeah. So the first step when we remove the printhead is to simply gently suck everything what's inside into the syringe. Yeah. So now I'm gently pushing up. Yeah. The inside is already Hydra Guard, so it's like transparent color. But if we would just take the printhead out of printer, it would be full of the color. So all four colors should be done like this, simply gently, but really gently, and slowly to push up and to remove and to go one color by another. Yeah. So this is from, let's say, cleaning or sucking the ink from the top. And here we already sucked Hydra Guard inside. And now we will, let's say, again, slowly and gently. I'm doing here actually not so gently. We will push the Hydra Guard liquid, this preservation liquid, inside the printhead. And now I'm showing that I'm actually with the full power, with the big force, I'm squeezing this data, let's say, or this connectors to really not be to be sure that no any liquid can get to this socket or to this connector. Yeah. So I'm really squeezing the printhead with big force. Yeah. So this is like step-by-step process right now. So we did one color. Now we can go to second one. Again, sucking Hydra Guard into the syringe. Again, connecting. And gently and slowly pushing through the printhead so that there are no any leftovers of the ink inside. Again, squeezing and protecting this connector. Again, yeah, pushing inside. Yeah, slowly. I was not so much gentle actually in this video, and like this way one can do like all colors. It means that with the Hydra Guard liquid, the printhead can stay 1 month or 3 months, I don't know, 6 months. It can be completely out of the printer and nothing will happen to the printer, pardon, to the printhead. Yeah, because otherwise all inks would all inks would be in general drying, and the white ink would be sedimenting a little bit as well. Yeah, or depends on the type. Here, of course, if somebody is using the Ultra Pro Ultra, so there is almost no sedimentation, but still there is some. Yeah, so if something would be, I don't know, like 2-3 months without any, let's say, circulation, it will probably block the printheads or the tubes. And with this paper tissue, this is actually not good idea to try to like clean anything with the tissue. I was just like, let's say, trying to get out any residual liquid around. Yeah, but from any tissue or fabric, there will be some small particles, some small elements, even not visible. So we should really keep the best, let's say, cleanliness, and to really not contaminate this inlet, to not get anything inside the printhead, because it would block the printhead. Yeah, and we would be visible that some channels are blocked, and this shower, which is right now happening, the shower would be, let's say, not consistent. So it would be visibly, something would be visibly blocked inside. Yeah, or some nozzles will be blocked. So this is demonstration of the preservation printhead for the long period, so it can stay like this, and nothing will happen. Yeah, this is visual check that there is no any liquid inside. Yeah, on the connector. And this is valid both for normal water-based textile inks and for UV inks. In case of UV, we would be using, of course, the black tubes. But the preservation liquid is in transparent bottle, so the preservation liquid is not sensitive for UV light. And this is again the protection from the drying. And for sure, printhead should be not on some, again, fabric or tissue. It should be in the plastic box, and closed or sealed plastic box. So nothing will be, let's say, sucking the liquid from the inside out, which would happen if we would put the printhead on some piece of paper or tissue, yeah? Because the paper or tissue would be sucking the liquid from the printhead out, yeah? And making the printhead dried.